Hey guys, today we're going to all you can eat Osuki, sushi, seafood, and grill. So let's go. Hey, you're watching Crisscross Adventures. We call ourselves that because we crisscross all over the state of Florida. You never know where we're gonna pop up or what we're gonna cover. So guys, come join us on the adventure and hey, let's get to the video. All right guys, when you walk in, what it is, it goes, wait here, please. I always get it to go, but today I'm gonna eat here. Yeah guys, here's where they make the sushi. So they give you this and you fill it out. Got the onion soup, the salad, spicy mayo, veal sauce. Yeah guys, this is pretty good. There's the seats behind me. Yeah, it's her first time really trying sushi. And yeah.
I tried it.
Yeah, she's tried it, but we got different kinds now. Guys, the sushi just came. Let me take a picture. Downtown Melbourne eating sushi for dinner tonight. They don't serve beef teriyaki for lunch, so we got chicken teriyaki. We'll tell you how it is. How is it?
Good.
Good? Are you just saying that or is it good? Okay. I got another eel roll with cucumber. Looking good. Here's the barbecue squid. Got more shrimp tempura. It's looking great. Almost done with the squid. I got a second order, but this time with rice. Alright guys, so we just left. The sushi was 10 out of 10. The best in Brevard County I had. She's new to sushi. She liked the shrimp tempura roll, but everything else she didn't like.
I think it was shocking.
Yeah, it was shocking. What's it called? I wouldn't get anything but sushi there. You know?
The meat was awful.
Yeah, she didn't like the meat. So yeah, guys, definitely go there for sushi.
Yeah,
on Thursdays they got 10% off, and yeah, they do senior discounts also, man. So thanks.
Gotta be 65.
Yep. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And that's another. Oh, she's looking at the desserts now. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. Hey, you're watching Crisscross Adventures. We call ourselves that because we crisscross all over the state of Florida. You never know where we're gonna pop up or what we're gonna cover. So guys, come join us on the adventure and hey, let's get to the video.